How are we actually trying to support and enhance the industry by investing in key areas for all of you to help you alleviate the pressure that so many of your teams are under right now? And so just generally speaking, we have a full connected and unified manufacturing platform. I'll show what I mean by that here in a second. But the intention is to be able to have a fully digital system across your entire life cycle, from preclinical and clinical in particular, because clinical has been an area where there's always been paper. There's not been much of a digital system in clinical. But if you want to be able to scale and optimize that process, you got to start early. And having a fully connected network from the early end to commercial to us is fundamental. And how we do that is what we launched last year at this event, which is our connected manufacturing network. In a single platform, you can now have all of your manufacturing sites and teams for both manufacturing, QC, internal, and external CMOs. And when you have your data digitally, you can then not only have real-time access to said data and have faster batch release, record review, all the things, but more importantly, you can use that data to optimize the process, because that is ultimately where this whole industry is heading over the next couple of years.